Suppose 8 blackberry plants started growing in a yard. Absent constraint, the number of blackberry plants will increase continuously at a monthly rate of 95%. If the yard can only sustain 80 plants, use a logistic growth model to estimate the number of plants after 5 months. Okay, so from the notes, class notes, here's the logistic, two versions of logistic, and we really just want the solution to logistic. There it is. P of t is kp0. Let's write that down. So the solution to the logistic, logistic growth means growth with a ceiling, growth with a maximum equals, and it says it is kp0. What else? K over p0 plus k plus, what is it? Plus k minus p0, e to the minus rt. It's a fraction here. Okay, there we go. So let's plug stuff in. So it says, okay, 8 blackberry cheese started growing. So that's the p0. That's the initial population. So that's 8. That's 8. That's 8. It says that in the notes here. P0 is the initial population. K is the carrying capacity. And R is the growth rate, the intrinsic growth rate. Okay. So then the yard can sustain 8 plants. That's K. That's our K right there. That's the carrying capacity. 80 plants, and that's in 2 locations. And now we need R. Well, that's actually right here. This is the rate. Oops, let me try that again. This is R. And you got to make that a decimal, though. 0.95. So that's the growth rate. Okay. And we want to know what's going to happen after 5 months. So T is 5, because that's a monthly growth rate. So we're talking months, 5. So plug in T as 5. There we go. And so it's really just, let's write it out and then we'll hit the buttons on Desmos. So we have what? 80 times 8 over 8 plus 80 minus 8, e to the minus 0.95 times 5. So let's go put that in Desmos. Okay. So fraction 80 times 8 over, I already forgot, what is it? 8 plus 80 minus 8. 8 plus 80 minus 8. E, go to functions, e to the power. What is that power? It's e to the power minus 0.95 times 5. Minus 0.95 times 5. Minus 0.95 times 5. Whoop. That's all up in the power, huh? Guess I got to do parentheses up there. Yeah. So minus 0.95 times 5. Got to put all that in parentheses. There we go. So we got 74.22077. 74.22077. Is that what they got? So that must be the answer. 0.2207. There's how many blackberry plants will be there in 5 months. And so there we go.